Hey, it's Queen Livia here, and let me just adjust the camera just a bit. Hi! Okay, so here I have the designer bag that I made from scratch by myself, by the way. Let's just, take a moment to appreciate this. Look at it. Okay, so we're gonna show you what's in my bag. They usually ask, okay, how do you always have everything prepared? I'm going to show you. The amount of things in here and the preparedness is gonna boggle your mind, and just that. Okay, so here we have beauty and cosmetics. It's not just beauty and cosmetics, okay? We got in here, we got my lanyard that I put my phone on when I need to go hands-free with it. And then I got hand lotion, detangling spray, and I got compact mirror, and a pen, and my paper planner, because there is no way that I am going to keep track of my schedule without it. And then, oh girl, you need a pad? Oh, I got you. Oh girl, you need a tampon? I got you. Oh girl, your boyfriend broke up with you? Who's a douchebag anyway? Here's some tissues. Why are you crying over a man? Come on now. And then we have, oh, you smell bad? Oh, here's some deodorant. Please use it. And then we have, oh, of course, you can't have detangling spray without the hairbrush. Okay, there's a portable one. You just bloop, boop. And then we have lipstick, chapstick, hair ties. You think I was done with that? No. I have Band-Aids. And, oh, you're feeling sick? Oh, I got some Rolaids for you. I got some Rolaids for you. I got it. I got you, girl. I got a nail file. I got nail clippers. I got extra face wash. Do not underestimate me. I got you, girl. Let me put all this back. Are you magic? How do you fit all of this in a bag? Yes, I guess I'm magic. I really don't know why people ask, honestly. But yeah, I got... And yes, all of it is inside. Zips up. Zips up. Like that. On to the electronics. Yes, do not underestimate me. Okay. Here's my electronic things. So we have here portable kickstand for your phone. Just put your phone right there. Stands up. Your friend needs one. She can borrow mine. I got a second one for you. I got portable charger. Got another portable charger. This girl loves Hello Kitty. We got this is my most prized possession right here. This is my retractable charger. Let me show you how retractable it is. You just whoop, And oh my goodness, wait. Oh yeah, we got the adapters. And then it just like, you tug both sides and they go right back where they're supposed to be. Yes. We love this. Guys, ask what women keep in their purse. And then I got a wall charger, just a normal wall charger. I got all the charging essentials. And then I got, a bedazzled car charger. Bedazzled because why not? And then here I got 2 different types of headphones. I got the USB-C cord, and I got the headphone jack. And if I need to charge my phone and listen to music at the same time, I just switch it over to this adapter. And shocker, it's Hello Kitty. Okay. Shocker? I think not. Wait. Huh? And it just... Why is it taking me so long to put these back? And then I'm going to get stickers because, you know, the kids who like stare into your soul during church, just give them a sticker. They'll stop staring at you eventually. And then put these back. Oh, look, he's so scared. Okay. And then goes all right back in here. And then the only thing I don't got, oh my gosh, you don't have one thing, is gum. Because sometimes your breath stinks and you need gum. I'm gonna get some. Oh, and then I have my receipt. This is the wallet that I strictly keep receipts in. Okay. Now, here we got the wallet. And the bus tickets, because I have a medical condition where I cannot drive. Do not ask about it. I am okay. I'm fully stocked with the bus tickets. And then I have a quarter for when I need to shop at a place with like Aldi's. And then I got a picture of Jesus. Oh, but girl, you need a picture of Jesus? I got you. Okay. I'm not even done there. Oh, I wish I was. Well, actually, no, I don't wish I was. I got in the wallet, I got my credit card, which I'm not going to show you. So, yeah. And then I have my library card, which they told me I could customize the front. So I did. And then I have all of the insurance cards that are needed. And then in here, I have no cash. But I do have a boba tea punch card. How am I not surprised that that's the only thing I have in there? And then that's basically all that's in my purse. But wait, there's more on the outside of the purse. What? You're lying. Oh, come on now. Stop calling me a liar. You think I was done with what's inside my purse? Psych! We're going inside the purse. That's right. Outside the purse, actually. Do not underestimate me. Okay, here we got a portable clip-on Bluetooth speaker for when I'm in my mom's car and I don't have control over the radio and she doesn't have like Bluetooth connection in her car. And then I have a Poppet. And this because it's just so nice to touch. Okay, and then we got the emergency headache medication because you know my little brother be giving me a headache all the time. Okay. Well, anyway, that's what's in my purse. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Actually, I don't believe in goodbyes. I believe in see you later. See you later.